Hey little ones, today we are going to show you how to draw two candy canes. We're going to start making two V shapes side by side. Then with the line we are going to unite them. This will be the wrapper that's going to be in front of our candy canes. Now we will start with the J shape that candy canes are known for. We're gonna make it nice and thick. It might take a few tries, but we will make it. We're gonna go all the way and unite it with the wrapper in front. We're gonna pass under it and continue. Now we're gonna draw the second one. We're gonna do the same J and we're going to try to keep it the same thickness as the first one. Since the second one is behind, we're going to have it pass under the wrapper and the first one. What if the lines are not straight? It's not a problem. Now we're going to draw a circle in the middle of the wrapper. We're going to start doing these curved lines along the cane. We will repeat the process for the next one. Well done. Now for the colors. We're going to color the first one with green. If you don't have the exact matching green, it's not a problem. Use whatever you have. We're going to use red for the second one. We will make sure that we draw one color, the next shape will be empty, and then we're going to draw another color. Notice that after this red, we're going to have white, another strip of red straight behind the green one, and then again white. So we're going to start coloring from this shape. Good job. Now for the wrapper, the circle, we will use a yellow and the purple for the body. Well done, little ones. See you on the next one. Bye bye.